everyone, welcome back. This is Diksha from Coding Power, and today we'll be seeing how to create a simple game called the Clicker game using Scratch. So, first, let us see how the game looks in the end. So, this is the game. The background is of different types of berries, and there is a small strawberry in the middle which goes to random places when the flag is clicked. And whenever we try to click the strawberry, the score increases by 1. So this is the game. Let us see how it is played. I'll click on flag. You can see the strawberry is moving. We need to click on it. So when we click, the score increases by 1 and sound is played. So I have scored 5, and when the score is 5, a good job message is given. So we need to continue on clicking, and the score is 10, and again a good job message is given. So this is the game. Now let's start creating the game. First we need to open the Scratch desktop. So go to search option and type Scratch. Now open this app. I'll maximize the screen. It might take a few seconds to load. Now the Scratch desktop or the app is open. So for this game we will be needing two characters. First is the strawberry and the second is the text which says good job or well done. So let's bring those characters into the game. We don't need a cat, so I'll delete this by clicking the delete option. Now go to choose a sprite and in the search option type strawberry. So I'll select the strawberry. Now the size of the strawberry is 100. We'll be needing a smaller size. So instead of 100, type 50. So we have the strawberry in the game. Now the second character is a text. So the text is not available in choose a sprite. Instead, go over the choose a sprite button and select paint. Now this window is opened. Here select the text option and click on the screen and type good job. Now we can select on this and change the color. I'm going to choose the yellow color. We can even change the type or the style of the text by clicking on this. I'm going to select pixel. We can also increase the size. You can bring it to the center of the screen. So now we have created one text. So in this game I'll be creating three text for, like, if the player gets a score of 5 it says good job, when the player gets a score of 10 it says wonderful, and when the player gets a score of 15 it says excellent. So let's do the same. Go over this choose a costume and again go to the paint option. So it adds one more costume. Now select text and click on the screen and type the second word. I'll be typing wonderful. Now as we have already choose the color and the font style, it has selected the same for the second. So I'll drag it to increase the size and bring it to the center. You can adjust the position by seeing the screen. Now let's do the same for the costume number 3. Go over the costume and select the paint. Select the text option and click on the screen and type excellent or any other word of your choice. Now increase the size of the text and drag it to the position you want. Now we have made the three costumes. Now go back to the code option. Now we have the two characters needed for the game. Now let's choose a backdrop. So the background is not available in the Scratch library. So we need to select the background from the Google. So go to Google and type berry fruit, berry. So you can click on this berry fruit and go to images, scroll below and select a image. So I'm going to select this. Right click on the image and select save image as. Click on that and go to the folder you want to save this into. I'll go to desktop. I'm saving it on desktop and you can name the file as berry background and click on save. Now the background image has been saved. You can close the Google now. Go to the Scratch desktop. Now go over the choose a backdrop and click on upload a backdrop. This will lead you to the folder or the file. Now go to the folder you have saved the berry backdrop. I've saved it in desktop. Now click on the file berry backdrop and click on open. So now the image has been uploaded to the Scratch. Now click on convert to vector. Now you can increase and go to select option here. Select and click on the image. Now increase the size of the image so that it fits the screen. You can also drag it down so that it fits the whole screen. You can see that the whole screen is covered with the image. Now we have uploaded the backdrop. Go back to the code, but instead of that you can delete this backdrop one. Delete this. Now go to the code and select strawberry. Now we are going to write the code for strawberry as we have already uploaded the two characters and the backdrop. Now let's write the code for the strawberry. So first, before writing the code for the strawberry, let's hide this text called excellent as we'll not be able to see the strawberry. Now go to Sprite 1. Here we can see show and hide option. Click on the hide option. The text has been hidden. We'll again show it later on. So now let's write the code for strawberry. Click on the strawberry and go to events. Drag and drop when flag is clicked. So when flag is clicked, when the game starts, we need the strawberry to go to the center. So go to motion. Here drag and drop, go to X and Y. Now the strawberry is in center, so it is 0 and 0. The X is 0 and Y is 0. Now in the game we need a score, a variable called score. So go to variable, click on make a variable and type score. So the name of the variable is score and now click on OK. Now we have created the variable score. In the beginning of the game we need the score to be 0. So drag and drop set my variable to 0. Instead of my variable select score. Now the score is set to 0 in the beginning of the game. Now in the game we need the strawberry to be going to random positions forever. So go to motion, select go to random positions. Now go to controls and drag and drop forever loop. we need the strawberry to go to for random positions forever. So drag and drop this here. When flag is clicked, go to the center, set the score to 0, and forever make the strawberry go to random positions. Now if you click on the flag, we can see the strawberry is moving. I'll stop it. You can see the strawberry is going to random positions very fast. So in order to slow that, go to control, select this wait 1 second block and put it inside the forever loop. Now we click on flag and check. The strawberry waits for 1 second after going to a particular position. Now stop it. Now we have completed half of the code for the strawberry. Now we need when the strawberry is clicked, we need the score to be changed by 1 and we need the strawberry to make a sound. Now go to events, select when sprite is clicked. When this sprite is clicked, when strawberry is clicked, go to variables, change my variable by 1, drag and drop it below. Instead of my variable, it is score. When the strawberry is clicked, when the sprite is clicked, change the score by 1. Now when the strawberry is clicked, we also need the strawberry to make a sound. Go to the sound options here and there is a sound called chomp, but I'll delete this and select a different sound. Now go over the choose a sound, click on it, and I'm going to choose a sound called magic spell. In the search option type magic spell. So here we can see the magic spell. Click on it. We have added magic spell to the game. Now go to code, click on sound block and select start sound magic spell. Drag and drop it here. When the sprite is clicked, when strawberry is clicked, change the score by 1 and play magic spell sound. Now we have completed the code for the strawberry. Now let us write the code for the sprite 1. So click on sprite 1. Earlier we have hidden it, so now let us make it show again. Click on the show button. Now we can see the sprite 1. So first go to events, drag and drop when flag is clicked. So when the game starts, this text should not be shown. So go to looks, scroll below and drag and drop hide. When the game starts, when flag is clicked, hide. Then we need a if and then block. Go to controls, drag and drop if and then. If the score is equals to 5, then show. So go to operators, drag and drop this equals to operator and drop it here. If score is equals to instead of 50, it is 5. Now go to variables, drag and drop this score. If score is equals to 5, then show. Go to looks, scroll below and drag and drop show. Now while showing, it has to show good job when the score is 5. Go to costumes. We had made 3 costumes. One is good job, second is wonderful, third is excellent. So good job is costume 1, wonderful is costume 2 and excellent is costume 3. So when the score is 5, we need costume 1 to be shown. When the score is 10, the costume 2 should to be shown. And when the score is 15, the costume 3 excellent should be shown. Go to code now. So when the score is 5, then show. But show in costume 1. Switch costume 2. Drag and drop this above show. Switch costume to costume 1. Score when the score is 5, switch costume to costume 1 and then show. Now drag and drop this here. Now this should happen forever. So go to controls again, drag and drop this forever loop below the hide. So the if block should be inside the forever loop. Now when it has shown, it has to wait for a few 0.5 seconds and then again hide itself. So go to control, here drag and drop this wait 1 second, below show inside if block, instead of 1 second 0.5 seconds. Then again it has to hide itself. Go to looks, scroll below, drag and drop this hide block. So it has to hide again after waiting for 0.5 seconds. Now we have done the same for score is equals to 5. Now let's do the same for score is equals to 10 and 15. Now go to this if block, right click on it and duplicate. So we have a duplicated of the same thing. Now drag and drop this below if first if block but inside the forever loop. Now if score is equals to instead of 5, if score is equals to 10, then change to costume 2. Now again go to if block, right click on it and duplicate. Bring it here. Now put this inside the forever loop below if block. Now instead of score is 10, score is 15. Switch costume to costume number 3. Now we have completed writing the code for the game. Now let's test it. I'll maximize the screen here. Click on the flag and now I'm going to click. When the score is 5, good job is shown. Now let's do the same for score is 10. Now the score is 10, so the text is wonderful. Now I'll stop this. Oh. So now we have completed the code. Now let us save it. Go to Files, click on Save to your computer, and you can save it in your desktop or any other folder. I'm saving it in my desktop. So you can type this as Clicker Game. Clicker Game and then save it. Now this file has been saved. You can close the file. This error message pops up, but the file is saved. You can click on Leave. Now we have completed creating the. Thank you for watching.